Jemu guys, he is Crash 300 and we're holding one trade, and here you guys can see one more signal just appeared. We open the trade with 5 standard lot and we're holding previous one trade. Keep watching the video and see how actually the system works and when the spike drops. We posted this signal in our VIP group where people make money using this signal. We also paste signals in our VIP group from this software. Now as you guys can see, we're holding two trades. One is on live signal and the one is the previous trade. The stop loss will be 4 candles. This is special spike detector. It will never give always signal, but when the signal appear, we are sure after 4 candles spike will drop. Here you guys can see, waiting for a spike. So here we are waiting for spike. Let's see when the spike appear. We close these trading profit. Keep watching with these. Here is the second candle. Look, here is the spike. Here is the spike. So this is how actually the system works. Live front of you. Is there any question you guys wanna ask? You can chat with our team. The chat link is in description. You guys may follow the description link and join our chat to ask your queries, doubts and problems, or you guys may have the copy of this system, and also you guys can join our VIP group. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like, share with other fellow traders. Spread the knowledge, help each other, make more profit. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.